See on the board, children. This is the first problem in our paper. Given system of equations. These three equations given in your paper. As we did in the Cramer's method, same thing I am doing here. I am taking capital A matrix, capital X matrix and capital D matrix. Clear? Now, I am finding determinant of A here. How to find the determinant of A, that you know clearly. We are selecting the first row 1 I am taking here. Eliminate the row and column. 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus AD minus BC, you know, that's why minus 1 into 7 7 minus 5 minus 7 minus 12. Okay. For middle number we are taking opposite symbol, so that I am taking minus 1. Eliminate the row and column. 2 7 2 minus 1. Cross diagonal 2 into minus 1 minus 2. This is formula minus 2 sevens are 14. Minus 2 minus 14, that is minus 16. Then plus 1. Plus 1 I am taking. Eliminate the row column. These are the 4 elements. 2 ones are 2 minus 2 5s are 10. 2 minus 10 minus 8. Now see here, 1 into minus 12 minus 12, minus into minus plus 1 into 16 16. Here plus into minus, minus 1 into 8 8. These two numbers having minus. So first you write down plus 16. When you add these two numbers, you will get minus 20. So det A answer is minus 4. It is det A not equal to 0 because we are getting some number now here. So det A is not equal to 0. Now A is non-singular matrix. Inversion method exists applicable to find cofactor of A. Now it is the new thing for us. Already I said in the previous video, I explained everything in the previous video. Same concept we have to do here. Totally 9 elements are present here. But the thing is what, you know, elements are same, like 1 1 1 1 3 times given, 1 more time, 4 times 1 is there. Not a problem. Just concentrate and do the problem. 9 elements are present. For that 9 elements, we are finding 9 cofactors. 9 cofactors. Now you see on the board how to find. The first one. Cofactor of 1 is equal to, I am talking about this one. It is present in which row and which column, that is important. Okay. Minus 1 whole power present in first row, first column. So I am taking 1 plus 1. Then determinant. Eliminate the row and column. These are the 4 elements. 5, 7, 1 minus 1. So here I am writing keep is equal to minus 1 whole power 2 it is. Minus 1 whole power 2 means, minus 1 whole power 2 means what is the answer? Plus only. Now we are doing AD minus BC. Take a bracket. 5 into minus 1, that is minus 5. It is minus, formula minus 1 into 7, 7. Minus 1 whole power 2. When the power comes in the 2 table, we have to write positive. So it is positive. Minus 5 minus 7, that is minus 12. So cofactor. Cofactor of 1. Cofactor of 1 is equal to minus 12. 1 is over. The second one. Again 1 is there. Here I am writing. Cofactor of 1 is equal to. Now we are talking about this one here. Which is present in which row and which column? First row and second column. Determinant I am taking here. Eliminate the row and column. 2 7 2 minus 1. 2 7 2 minus 1. So minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2, that is 3. Determinant means, sorry, no need to take determinant. Take a bracket. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. Minus 7 2s are 14. Minus 1 whole power 3, that is minus. It is minus 16. When you multiply both the things, you will get plus 16. This is what? Cofactor of 1. This is which one here? Second one. Now third one. Cofactor of 1 again. Cofactor of 1. Cofactor of 1. The third one present in first row, minus 1 whole power, first row and third column. So 1 plus 3, determinant again. Eliminate the row and the column, then you will get 2, 5, 2, 1, 2, 5, 2, 1, 2, 5, 2, 1. So that is minus 1 whole power, 1 plus 3 is 4. I am taking bracket here. Now I am writing AD minus BC formula. 2 ones are 2, minus 2 5s are 10. Minus 1 whole power 4 means that power comes in the 2 table, so it is positive. 2 minus 10, it is minus 8. So cofactor of 1 is equal to minus 8. 3 are over. The next one, cofactor of the next number 2 is equal to minus 1 whole power. This 2 present second row first column. Second row first column. Take a determinant. What are the elements here? Eliminate the second row first column. Second row first column. 1 1 1 minus 1. 1 1 1 minus 1. Minus 1 whole power, it is 2 plus 1 means 3. Take a bracket, 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 1 1. Minus 1 whole power 3. 3 will not come in 2 tables, so it is minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2. This is the cofactor of which element? 2. Cofactor of 2. So that is here, cofactor of 2. How many more elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 cofactors we have to find now. Okay, place is not there, so I am going to rub this one. Next, cofactor of 5. Cofactor of 5. 5 present in minus 1 whole power. 2 plus 2. You check it. Second row, second column. So 2 plus 2. Take the determinant. And when I eliminate a second row, second column, you are getting 1, 1, 2, minus 1. 1, 1, 2, minus 1. So minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2, that is 4. Take a bracket. 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1 minus 2 ones are 2. It is under 2 table, so you will get positive number. So minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3. Here cofactor of 2 is equal to 2. Here cofactor of 5 is equal to minus 3. Similarly, the next number is cofactor of 7. Cofactor of 7 is called 7 present in which row and which column? That is second row, third column. Take a determinant. Eliminate the row and column. Row, column, row, column. 1, 1, 2, 1. 1, 1, 2, 1. Minus 1 whole power 2 plus 3. Minus 1 whole power 2 plus 3 means 5. Take a bracket. 1 ones are 1 minus 1 twos are 2. So that is equal to minus 1 whole power 5, that is a negative, minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1. Cofactor of 7 is 1. Cofactor of 7 is equal to 1. What is the next number? 2. Cofactor of 2. Cofactor of 1 is equal to cofactor of minus 1. See, already I explained 4-5 numbers here. Here I am directly writing the answers. You find out, elaboratedly you find out. I am writing direct answer. Cofactor of 2, I am writing direct answer here, but you find out like this. So what is cofactor of 2? Check it. Cofactor of 2. Eliminate row, column. 1 7s are 7. 7 minus 5, that is 7 minus 5, that is 2. Actually 2. 2 present in third row, first column. Third row, first column. 3 plus 1, 4. So that is only 2. The next one. Cofactor of 1. Cofactor of 1 means Eliminate this column and this row. 1, 1, 2, 7. 7 minus 2. That is 5. This is what? Third row, second column. 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 5. Minus 5. The next one is minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 means 1, 1, 2, 5. That is 5 minus 2. 3 is the minor. Minus 1 present in third row, third column. 3 plus 3, 6. So 3 is the answer. 3 is the answer. Okay. Total cofactors are over here. Now you see here totally 1, 1, 1 is the cofactor of 1, cofactor of 1, cofactor of 1. These 3 ones are over. Then 2, 5, 7 you see. Cofactor of 2, that is completed here. Then cofactor of 5, cofactor of 7. See. Means these 3 ones and 2, 5, 7 elaboratedly I completed here clearly. The last row 2, 1, minus 1 is the I wrote directly, but you do like this. After getting all cofactors, what to do? We have to write cofactor of a matrix. We have to write cofactor of a matrix, that I am writing here. Cofactor of a matrix. Cofactor of capital A. That how to write, you see on the board. What is the cofactor of 1? Minus 12. Minus 12. The next one 16. The next one minus 8. The next one 2. The next one, that is here, minus 3. The next one 1. What is the last 3? 2 minus 5, 3. 2 minus 5, 3. This is called which matrix? Cofactor of A. Cofactor of A. Now, concentrately you listen. One more concept here. That is what you know. When I transpose cofactor of A, when I transpose cofactor of A, you know how to do transpose. You will get adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. Adjoint. ADJ means adjoint. Adjoint of A. How to get adjoint of A? For cofactor matrix, we have to apply transpose. Same matrix, you just do transpose. See how I am writing. Adjoint of A is equal to, same matrix I am writing, minus 12, 16, minus 8, 2, minus 3, 1, 2, minus 5, 3, take power T. What I said? For cofactor matrix, you apply transpose. Cofactor matrix, you apply transpose. When you apply transpose for cofactor matrix, automatically the name has changed. That is called what? Adjoint of A. Now change the matrix. See how I am changing. Is equal to first row, first column, minus 12, 16, minus 8. Second row, second column, 2, minus 3, 1. Third row, third column, 2, minus 5, 3. This is adjoint of A. Now our problem is going to be finished. See on the board please. Adjoint A is over. After completing that adjoint of A, I am writing matrix equation is. You are having 3 matrices. One is capital A matrix, one is a capital X matrix, one is capital D matrix. So matrix equation is, by using that 3 matrices, we can write an equation. That how to write? Ax is equal to D. When I multiply A matrix with X matrix, you will get some answer. When you are equating D, you will get the system of equations. You will get our problem. Okay. Ax is equal to D is called a matrix equation. When I am sending A to this side, you will get A is equal to A inverse into D. Concentrate here. Actually, when you are taking 2x is equal to 3, then x is equal to 3 by 2. But in matrices, there is no division. Up to intermediate, there is no division. We are not doing division in the intermediate. What? In matrices, sorry, not intermediate, in division, in matrices. In matrices, we are not doing division. We are having addition, we are having subtraction, we are having multiplication. There is no division. Then what to do, sir? If I send A to this side, then you will get D by A. So that is wrong. So instead of that, when I am sending A to that side, it will become A inverse. When I am writing A power minus 1, read it as A inverse. When I am writing A power 1, read it as A transpose or A dash. When I am writing A power t, read it as A transpose. It is A transpose, it is A dash, it is called what? A inverse. A inverse. Now, A inverse formula is adjoint A by det A into D. What I wrote, matrix equation is Ax is equal to D. I am sending A to that side, then it will become x is equal to A inverse into D. A inverse into D. A inverse formula is adjoint A by det A. What is adjoint A? See, this is adjoint A matrix. What is det A? In the beginning only we got it, det A. What is D? D matrix. Simply we are substituting the things here. So, what to do now? X is equal to 1 by, what is the det A answer here? Det A means, okay, we will write afterwards. Det A as it is you write down. First you note down A adjoint A. See, 1 by det A as it is I wrote here. Adjoint A first I am writing. Minus 12, 2, 2, 16, minus 3, minus 5, then minus 8, 1, 3. Beside of that, D is there. Now we have to write D matrix. See, what is D matrix here? 9, 52, 0. 9, 52, 0. Very simple, sir. 1 by det A. Children, up to now you don't know what is the multiplication. How to do the multiplication of matrices? It is very simple. The multiplication is very simple. Now you see on the board. How to multiply these two matrices means, take first row, multiply these three numbers. In the first row, three numbers are there, 1, 2, 3. Here also three numbers are there. First number, second number, third number, we are multiplying. See how to multiply. Minus 12 into 9. Take a bracket, minus 12 into 9, then keep plus. 2 into 52. First number is over, then second number. 2 into 52 plus 2 into 0, last number into last number, bracket close. So, first row, first column is over. Then again second row that we have to write here. First number, 16 into 9, here minus 3 is there, 52. So, minus 3 into 52, minus 5 into 0, over. The last row, last column. First number, second number, third number. So, minus 8 into 9 plus 1 into 52 plus 3 into 0. Do the calculations, you will get answer. So, is equal to, if you do the calculation, det A answer is minus 4 here. If you do the calculation, when I multiply minus 12 into 9, that is minus 108, 2 into 52, 104, 2 into 0, 0. 16 9s are 144, multiply minus 156, 5 into 0, 0, 8 9s are 72, 52 and it is 0. When I calculate all the things, you will get like this. Now I am taking this minus 4 inside of the matrix. See, capital X is equal to, what is the first number? Minus 4 by minus 4. The second one, minus 12 by minus 4. The next one, minus 20 by minus 4. that is equal to minus minus all get 4 ones are 1 times, for 3 times, for 5 times. What is capital X are? X, Y, Z. X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 3, Z is equal to 5. One thing I want to tell you, in this inversion method, you have 4-5 concepts here. One is transpose of a matrix, one is minor of a matrix, one is cofactor of a matrix, one is adjoint of a matrix. How to get adjoint? If you do transpose of cofactor matrix, then you will get adjoint. What is the formula here actually? This is called Ax is equal to D is called matrix equation. From that x is equal to, when I send A this side, it will become A inverse into D. What is the formula for A inverse? Adjoint A by det A, D is as it is. We are substituting the numbers. 1 by det A is as it is, we are writing adjoint A. Adjoint A means this one, and beside of that we are writing D matrix, we are multiplying these two. I said already, first row, first column, 3 elements, 3 elements, first element, second element, third element, like that we have to multiply and add it. See the multiplication. Same second row, again 3 numbers. So go through this video number of times, then it will be easy for you. Then you do one thing, second problem is there in your paper, that you do by your own. Okay, totally 4 problems are over in your question paper. Do practice perfectly. Thank you all. See you in the next video.